Hey, hello folks. This is my new Buck 110. I bought it Friday, I guess, or Thursday, just before Friday. I don't remember when I bought it, but look at that. I want to show you something. It's a hard, wow, look at that. Okay, this is my Buck. Yeah. Oh, I have my flashlight. It's 2000 lumens. I want to try my new Gerber oh yes, MP600. Oops. Okay, I guess that chopping enough too. Yeah, I love this little thing, stopper. You see, pinch. And okay, wow. Let's try just there. Okay, it's plastic of some can of yeah, I love, and yeah, if I remember, is not titanium but tungsten cutter, and I have this little thing to it's like it looks like what is an Allen key, but it's made to the okay, I put it in there, and yeah, I love it, and it's not too bad. That's it, folks, and I know. Yeah, little joke. And my finger is go well, I guess. Yeah, ouch. Just inside it's not health. I guess is it health? Oh, go. It just 2 weeks, and that's it. And look, this one, but it's okay. Hey, come back with another video. Yeah, I'm waiting for something like it's hoodies, all en laine, like Tom Sawyer, I guess. I write it in my description what I'm waiting for, and I make video, mail call with it. Yeah, and I love my Buck one. Oh, this is my friend cat. Yeah, because she's not at her home, and she's my place because my friend go not the trip, but she go take care of her cousin because sick and not sick, but sick. She cousin is sick, and she take care of her, and I take the cat in my place to take care of, you know, and yeah, it's a very sweet cat. Awesome. Yeah. Okay. Come back with some news and some mail call and yeah. Have a have a nice week and take care all.